And now we have some beautiful musical numbers like we had in the first part of our program. We have our seminarians to sing with Mariel. First of all, our seminarians will sing with Mariel the first song, This Beautiful Earth. These are our troubadours. This group is a source of pride of OLAS, these troubadours that we have. The members are volunteer seminarians. Of course, everything in the seminary is volunteer. Either you volunteer or else, you know. So they're volunteer seminarians who want to develop their God-given talents and want to have extra exposures. They themselves organized the group without being told by their formators. Of course, sometimes that is not so easy in the seminary when you do things without your formators knowing what's going on. But I think they succeeded. They are asked to entertain visitors at OLAS or other places from time to time. Miss Flor Licono is invited to polish their music. So I would just read the names of these talented seminarians of ours: Josue Leo Gorgonio, Eric Canoos, Wilmer Unabia, Julius Angana, Benjamin Tigullio, Adam Dalak, Carl Vallanca, Jumil Alcasoda, Herson Madayag, Fernando Radin, Ivan Bolotaulo, Dominador Valdez, one of the dancers, Royce Trinidad, Alex Almasco, Andre Agario, who was also one of our vocalists, our soloists earlier, Andre, Kenneth Dagohoy, Jake Perez, Joe Jan Billones, Aaron Dick Batistis, and Mark Angelo Vito. They are going to sing with Mariel the song, This Beautiful Earth, and after that song, they will continue, just the troubadours, with the song, In the Still of the Night. Let's give them a big hand. Shoo-doo-doo, 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 of the night, I held you tight. I love you so. Promise I'll never let you go. In the still of the night, in the still of the night, I remember. Your precious love, so before the love hold me again with all of your might in the still of the night, in the still of the night. Shoo up, shoo up, shoo up, shoo up. Shoo up, shoo up, shoo up, shoo up, oh, shoo up, 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 shoo up. So before the light
up in the morning, and the sun smiles when it's warm. The birds spread their wings as they soar the vast blue skies. The flowers give off their scents, fragrance fills the air. Oh, this world is a paradise, so delightful to behold. How can we be so kind to this planet where we live? This God's gift to humanity, let them through and make His way. All the waters and the rivers flow into the roaring rapid. All the trees sway and dance with the rhythm of the blowing wind. As the rain drench the ground, the whole creation breathes with life. Oh, this world is a paradise, so delightful to behold. How can we be so unkind to this planet where we live? It's God's gift to humanity, let not ruin make His way. All the mountains and the hills are crowned and covered with vegetation, and 1,000 creatures thrill, running and creeping everywhere. The ocean and the deep blue seas are teeming with a million species. Oh, this world is a paradise, so delightful to behold. How can we be so unkind to this planet where we live? This God's gift to humanity, let not ruin make His way. Let us know this universe is the only one we've got. Let the future generations enjoy this gift of love. It's the living witness of the power of God's grace.
Thank you very much. This mic is running all over the stage. And so we are very happy for that number. We would like, for those numbers, we would like again to thank our OLAS troubadours and of course the soloist, Mariel. Thank you very much. I'm 70, so you don't mind if my memory does not work that well anymore. Let's give them another big hand. And of course, we will not be able to have numbers like those if we do not have dedicated seminarians and formators to help train them.